Hey, yo, what's good? It's your boy Zoom HQ here, back with another banger video. And today, we're about to react to Chucky Hiccup Visualizer, man. Let's see what they talking about. Hey, I did just react to the Baby Chief do it, rat for rat. And hey, he went fat. Let's see if Chucky gonna go fat on that bit too, alright.
Hey man, free blood bath, man. Hey, free the guys, man. Shit free for free the guys.
Shit free with free the guys and free guns. Red seats, red key, all the hoes on sex me. Me and her both got Selena on, she thinks she my bestie. They don't like it when I bounce, I seen them take his last breath. Niggas troll on that for promo, killer, that's a mad reach. I got on 2 boxes of bricks, she sucking deep before I peek. Me and Milty out the lane, make our Milty out the lane. You don't like the way I rap, I don't get no fuck ODIE. Turn it down all the tough days, my first show gon' be in the league. I don't like no fucking diamonds, paint ain't autumn, mommy, please. Don't get fucked up about these glasses, Draco Timmy was out the swing. No, they not prescription, Chrome had 2K just for me to see.
I ain't gonna lie, this nigga Chucky going there. This nigga Chucky going hard, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that nigga Chucky low key walking. Hold on, Chucky, calm down. Calm down with it, Chucky, chill.
Right here, boy, I see dude, handle lights get hit for sure. They be talk like savage, time new savage shit, they disappear. I get on the net and act myself, that savage shit be in me. You niggas savage be broadcast, y'all do everything for likes. Army gun savage as a bite, pink slip, shut the police right up. Remember them days in them hot cars, but I right here fucking right up. And before the Rolex diamonds, I was make my glizzy light up. Every mission, Chucky got off, he got hit up, gassing right up. Police think this shit again, they let Barada and snatch the right up. I got one mile of cash out, everything I want, I get it. I heard you be petty spending. My advice, bro, say them pennies. Into the room, drop a penny. She screaming, go Chucky, get it. Won't go for that, I ain't thirsty. End of the night, I still hit her. After the show, but we been through. We on a hunt for them niggas. First of them, I know I ran through. That's why she hit in my system. I got codeine in my.
You said first of them up, first of them up, I know her rent due. That's why she hit in my system. I'm not paying your rent. I'm not paying your motherfucking rent. No, that's not daddy. Word to the man. No, don't hit my line when that rent due. What you talking about?
My system, yo, bitch, I sippin' on liquor. I don't throw cash in the strip club, young nigga get it more richer. Mexican hoe getting thicker, NYC finna go hit her. If I get hit on the dust game, lil' bro come through, it's a stick up. On the drill, he caught the hiccups. What that mean? That boy a bitch boy. I got a switch on my rocket. That bitch come quick like a blitz boy. Or come quick like a Hellcat. We still post up in them trenches. So I hit the block, we in CP, throw the blicks over the fences.
Damn, he said once I hit the block, me and CP throw the blicks over the fences. This nigga. Damn. And niggas be like some, oh yeah. Niggas be like, oh, you don't nah, that niggas. The old heads be like some, oh, y'all over know what Chucky be saying in the songs. You old niggas just don't be listening right. Y'all ears don't be working. That nigga be talking. Y'all gotta start listening, man.
That's when I first time I Dilly. Get my OG 30K and did it again, I'm super rich. I know not to come outside, I got like 15 rolls on Sibley. See a straight fuck up the ride, I gotta get back on you silly. Switch around every time, I got like 4 spots in a Betty. I got rich, I rap now crack, but I do 1 million a minute. Free Smirky going up, they got that bro out any minute. Free Shana with free Millie, but my twin, that's my killer. We got 4 Johnson and Sprinter, it's just me and Lil' Bro in it. Beat the road for 13 hours, it's a month, walk out the chicken.
I ain't no Chucky dropped the album. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, this nigga Chucky dead go stupid on this though. Hey, I can't lie to you. That nigga Chucky start walking on that bit. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. But I ain't gonna lie, I will get at the Baby Chief. He went a little harder. But Chucky did go hard too. But other than that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Make sure to follow my socials. Make sure to join the Discord. All in the description and on the screen right here. But other than that, man, peace. I'm out. Catch y'all on the other side.